You're looking at skunk number 4 on the year. As you can see from the timestamp, it was 1:42 a.m. and he was feverishly trying to get into that pork roll. Overall, pork roll has been one of the best baits I've been able to use. After about 3 minutes, as you can see from the timestamp, he figured out he can enter the cage from the front. This would be his downfall, because a minute later, you guessed it, he was trapped.
The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
After releasing skunk number 4 a few days earlier, I caught this guy on the trail cam coming by a few nights, so I figured I'd leave the trap out. Sure enough, he came by looking for that pork roll, and as soon as he went in that cage, he got trapped. After almost 4 days and no holes dug under my shed, I figured I captured every one of them. No more skunks in the yard. Hallelujah. This guy wanted to play games with me. He wouldn't leave the trap. I had to edit about 10 minutes of video out of here, and finally after a while I figured I had to do something. So you see me reaching down here picking up a stick, and I'm poking it right in his ass. No sooner I do that, he just jumps out and takes off.
That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
This guy was quite a surprise for me because I did not expect to catch another skunk. I meant to clean the cage out the day before, but I got lazy and left it alone. I was going to do it in the morning, but when I woke up, lo and behold, there he was, trapped in the cage. Thank God I left it out.